We're Chris and Ken. We reached Bocas del Toro after crossing the border into Panama. In our last episode, we checked into El Clandestino for a lovely stay on the water. From there, we are now heading out to try some local delicacies.
We are about to get ready. The last couple of days, it had rained a lot, and it also did this morning, but we have decided to go and see the local chocolate farm. So, looking very much forward to taste the Panamanian chocolate.
Before we show you any more, please give this video a like, it really helps a lot.
Called the Brat. And by the way, this has healing properties. If you have an eye infection, you can break the Brat off and squirt it in your eye, and it'll help clear out eye infection. And what I'm doing right now is I'm pulling out the flowers. So these you can eat. They're kind of crunchy, little lemony, little sweet. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
Not bad.
I love all of our trees here, but I have two that are my favorite. Okay, this is one of them, and this is our granddaddy tree of life. Isn't that amazing?
Wow. It's beautiful.
That's over 350 years old. There's another little rainita, guys. Come here. These are Grainy black poison dart frogs. And we'll talk a little bit more about them, but they are absolutely gorgeous.
So beautiful.
So they get their poison from eating hormigas, from eating ants. And the poison secretes through their skin. And one with two toes.
Oh. No spiders. No spiders. No spiders.
He's in this little branch up here, and you can just barely see him.
We just found a sloth.
So according to some researchers, cacao is the most healthy fruit in the world. 10 times more antioxidants than blueberries, 20 times more antioxidants than acai.
Oh.
Wow.
See the color?
It tastes like cacao.
Well, you tell me. The fruit on the outside is very sweet.
Taste
¿Quieres
the
más?
flavor of cacao.
¿Hablas español tú también, eh?
No.
Mejor que Cristina. Here you go, darling.
Awesome.
These are the fermentation boxes.
Eso es lo que aquí.
That's chocolate.
Esta es la cáscara.
This one's like dark chocolate.
Yeah.
So we put these in everything. We put these in our cereal, and oh my gosh, an oatmeal is amazing.
Oh.
Yes.
We put
Big
them.
fans of those.
Yeah.
We put them in oatmeal. We put them in smoothies. We put them in salad. These also, it's delicious, yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
Now it tastes like chocolate, right?
Right.
Y esto es el
Like
grano,
dark chocolate.
el
Dark
grano
chocolate.
molido.
Mm-hmm.
So we are wandering around in his garden, and it's just so beautiful. And he is telling us about everything.
Yep.
it sends all of its nutrients to that area where it was attacked, and then it becomes healthier for you. So this is cranberry hibiscus, and this also you can eat raw or you can eat it cooked. Yes, so healthy and so delicious.
Has different flavor.
Bitter.
It's kind of lemon.
Right.
Yeah, I love it.
Mmm. It's good.
She loves it. This is my favorite type of tree in the world. This is called almendro. Remember, we've been here a year and 5 months, right? So this is only a year old, and look how fast it grew in 1 year. It's taller than me.
Wow.
Yeah? So in only 4 years, this will grow beyond 40 feet tall, which is amazing for a hardwood tree. Very exciting.
Isn't it also sort of a testament to that nature can rebound if it's given the opportunity to do so? I mean, this
I
tree-
can't even comment on how right you are, because that is absolutely. If we get out of the way,
Yeah, exactly.
Nature will.
nature will
Rebound.
take care of it, and we need to if we want to continue to survive. Look at how exciting this is. Look at this little baby. It's just now coming out. Isn't that wonderful?
We are still walking in Gary's garden. And his jungle, yeah. And it's just amazing here. There are so many plants, so many trees, so many animals.
And I want you guys to feel this when you walk by. This is a type of cycad, and cycads existed when the dinosaurs existed. This is my favorite ginger. This is torch ginger.
It almost
this
looks
is the
like
red.
plastic.
Yeah, it does. Look how gorgeous it is.
Yeah.
Absolutely stunning. Christina, don't fall.
Nope.
You say no, we'll see.
Yeah.
I bet the frogs love this place.
Oh yes, this is a very happy place if you're a frog.
Mucho gusto.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Aquí tiene chocolate
Oh,
con
Look at
canela
that.
y
Yeah.
agave. Preparar chocolate tea,
All right.
cinnamon, organic agave to sweeten.
I have to. I love you too much. I have to. This is Maria.
You guys ready for some chocolate? I know you just do it. You guys want to take a moment.
No.
You ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So there are, in the United States, there's 2 candy bars called Reese's Peanut Butter Cups and Mounds Bars, okay? Oh, no. So help yourself. It's for you guys. So just, whatever you guys want to.
Look
Go
at what a
for
good boy Kenneth is.
first,
Thank
but
you.
I'm
Yeah.
gonna
I taste this one.
I just made those, so.
Take the one.
So that's.
Está riquísimo, ¿no?
Wow.
Esto es.
Wow.
Por eso van a tener que vivir aquí, porque.
Okay.
I just taste this one.
With me? I think you're ready.
with this.
Oh boy.
How is it, Christina?
Oh,
Thank you.
it's so good.
So good, right?
Yeah.
Está contenta,
I think
Cristina,
she-
¿Le
sure.
gustó? ¿Está bien?
¿La probaste?
No, no.
I,
First, and have it like kind of like a chilled.
Dice como que está.
Cheers, guys.
cheers.
Retirement with Fidelity. Getting started is easy. You tell us about help you review options based on your savings and how much risk you're comfortable with.
I love Maria's looks. That's
I'm
awesome.
dying.
Go.
Sweet one.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
It's ridiculous how delicious it is.
And there's chocolate in it.
It's like a liquid chocolate bar.
So I did the nib that you guys went to the.
I'm trying to different many flavors with this.
It's a
cacao,
plus.
Cinnamon.
I love the little touch. Vanilla.
Vanilla, see. So there's a recipe for the Baileys you guys like. It's right here on the top. That's it.
So we
Can I go shopping?
we have
Yeah, you can go
we have
shopping. That was the end of the visit for the Green Acres.
Yeah.
Such a wonderful place. Super interesting.
Yeah.
Just wait.
Oh!
Look at them.
Ah!
Oh my god. Yeah. Oh.
Wow!
Beautiful.
Oh,
Dos veces con vosotros.
yeah. Had you arranged that?
Lucky.
The timing was perfect. We just came back from Green
Yeah.
Acres.
Yeah, chocolate farm. Those guys, they are so lovable. And when Gary showed us around in the garden, we could feel his passion for it, and his energy was so
Positive.
yeah. And he just had this thing saving the rainforest, the environment, everything.
Absolutely. And they have this non-profit organization called Planet Rehab.
Yeah.
We're definitely gonna put a link in the description below. And they work with preservation and reforestation. So they cultivate small sprouts, small trees. And what was the tree called?
Almandro.
Almandro tree.
Yeah. It's an endangered tree.
Yeah.
And
Really important for the ecosystem.
yeah.
So they cultivate these plants, but also other plants that benefits the local community, enabling them to lead a more healthy lifestyle. So that was really impressive.
Yeah. I loved it.
Yeah. Big shout out to you guys. I hope you're watching. Thank you so much for a very warm visit.
Yeah.
Keep up the amazing work that you do. You are definitely at the right place. You found your place. That's for certain.
Yeah.
And you picked up a few things.
Oh yeah. In the end of the tour, which really wasn't that expensive at all. We paid $15 per person for the tour, and in the end there is a shop that
Maybe started.
that Carlo.
Well, he showed the products they sold.
I hope you can hear us.
Yeah.
Well, but as you saw in the video, we tasted these very delicious drinks, liqueurs, and they were good. So, of course, I bought this liqueur.
It's a chocolate infused rum, and you just have to mix it with some condensed sweet milk to get one of these really nice drinks.
Yeah. And also,
You got this one.
yeah, they partnered up with some of the locals. One of them is Beauty and the Beach. And I bought this sunscreen that is reef safe. And just that word, that means everything to me. I love the ocean.
The last
And
bit you got?
I bought this bracelet, but it's not just beads. It is also from the community. Ladies in this small village have
Noble tribe.
Noble tribe, yeah, have taught themselves to make these beads out of newspapers, and they glue them very tight together.
Giving them a chance to earn some money.
Yeah, and it's really beautiful. It's really but you can also sense that it's only newspaper because they are a bit soft.
but waterproof.
Yeah, I have already swim in the ocean with this, so, and it's still intact. So good.
Yeah.
But yeah, thank you guys
Thank you guys.
for having us.
Yeah. We can only recommend a visit to the Green Acres
Yeah.
organic farm and check out the link.
Yep. First thing is, you're on a jungle tour, right?
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I am on a jungle tour.
What did you see?